Whether you're gearing up for a full-scale bathroom remodel or just looking to update your existing vanity, DIY projects are an excellent option if you want to save money and create something truly unique and customized. With the right materials, patience, and some creative ingenuity, you can create stunning bathroom vanities that feel like they stepped out of a magazine without breaking the bank. Here's our guide to 5 budget-friendly DIY projects with all costs totaling less than $800. So grab your tools and let's get crafting one beautiful vanity at a time. When it comes to bathroom renovation, finding the perfect vanity is key. The 36-inch vanity with top is a popular choice for those seeking an elegant and practical addition to their space. Its size offers ample storage while not being too bulky for smaller bathrooms. The addition of a top not only adds style, but also protects the vanity from water damage. From modern to traditional, there are various styles and finishes to choose from to match any design aesthetic. A vanity with top not only adds functionality to your daily routine, but also adds a touch of sophistication to your bathroom space. The bathroom is often regarded as a sanctuary within the home, a personal oasis to retreat to after a long day. For those looking to elevate the space, a 30-inch floating vanity is an excellent option to consider. The sleek and modern design not only maximizes floor space, but it also adds an air of sophistication to any bathroom. The floating aspect of the vanity creates an illusion of spaciousness, which is perfect for smaller bathrooms that require space-saving solutions. With ample storage options hidden behind the seamless facade, a 30-inch bathroom floating vanity is the perfect blend of style and functionality. Upgrade your bathroom sanctuary with this stylish and space-saving addition. A beautiful and functional bathroom is an essential part of any home. It's where we go to freshen up, get ready for the day ahead, and relax after a long day. One essential component of a bathroom is the vanity, and a 24-inch bathroom vanity is a great choice for those who are looking for functionality and style. This size is small enough to fit in even the tiniest of bathrooms, but large enough to offer ample storage space for all your toiletries. A bathroom vanity is not only a practical solution to your storage needs, but it's also a statement piece that can bring design and style to your bathroom. A 24-inch vanity is versatile and can be customized to meet your specific requirements. It can be simple and minimalist or adorned with intricate details and elegant designs. With a 24-inch bathroom vanity, you can have a bathroom that is not only stylish but also practical and functional. Revamp your bathroom with a stylish and functional bathroom vanity. If you're wondering where to buy bathroom vanities, look no further than rtakb.com. Our website offers an extensive collection of vanities to suit all your needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for a single or double sink, freestanding or wall-mounted, traditional or modern, we've got you covered. Plus, you can easily browse through our range and sort by size, material, color, and price to find the perfect fit for your bathroom. So, instead of hopping from one shop to another in search of the ideal vanity, head to rtakb.com and transform your bathroom into a cozy and inviting space. Bathroom vanities are a must-have for anyone who wants to maximize their bathroom space and add an element of style. However, some may be put off by the hefty price tags that often come with these pieces. Fortunately, Swiss Madison Vanities offer a line of affordable, high-quality bathroom vanities that won't break the bank. With a wide range of designs and finishes, these vanities are the perfect solution for anyone looking to give their bathroom a facelift without overspending. So why pay more than you have to when you can get a luxurious and stylish bathroom vanity at a price you can afford? Thanks for watching our video on choosing the perfect bathroom vanity. We hope you found this guide helpful in making the right decision for your space. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement tips and tricks. If you would like to shop or browse our selection of bathroom vanities, then please check out the links below.